Do you want to invest in yourself so that you can achieve success in all aspects of your life faster? If that's the case, then definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, how you doing? So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you 12 tips that you can start implementing from today if you want to invest in yourself, see really positive and dramatic results in your life. So stay tuned for that. Before we get into it, I just wanted to say thank you to all of you who just joined this community recently. Thank you so much for being part of it, and I hope that together we'll be able to grow as entrepreneurs, leaders, and human beings. And thank you also to all of you who've been here from the beginning. So thank you to each one of you. All right, tip number one goes without saying, but I have to say it, and that is learn and develop new skills. Whether that is web marketing or business skills or even learning a new foreign language, you can either sign up to online classes or actual classes and learn. Really, an alternative to paying for actual classes is actually learning through books and YouTube videos, which can be also very valuable. Tip number two is to hire a coach. Sometimes we fix ourselves a huge goal and we feel so intimidated by it and completely lost. So in this kind of situation, it's a very good idea to invest in a coach who will guide you throughout like the steps that you need to take in order for you to achieve that goal. It's such a really good investment. Not only you will save yourself hours of research, but you will also get the support that you need in achieving your goals. Obviously, you need to make the necessary research before hiring the person so that you're sure that's the best coach for you. My third tip is to attend seminars, conferences, and networking events. The point here is to get yourself outside of your comfort zone and start mingling and networking. And networking, I already talked about it in one of my previous videos, is such an important thing to do when you're an entrepreneur. You want to meet new people. You want to meet people who are gonna help you, support you, let you grow. So not only you will start making new friendships and maybe business partnerships, but also you will stay in touch with the current trends in your industry. My fourth tip is to join a support group. I find that joining membership sites and Facebook groups so valuable because you can ask questions, you can receive answers from people who have more experience than you do. You can give your support to other people. It's really about not feeling alone and being part of something bigger than you and also learning from one another. My fifth tip is to unleash your creativity by stimulating parts of your brain that are dormant, and you can do that through any sort of like hobby that you can have, that whether that be cooking, gardening, hand making objects or painting, anything that can give you like this freedom to create anything. That's really a way for you to unleash your creativity. It may seem as a waste of time, but it's not, because you're doing something completely different from what you usually do, and that actually is going to prompt you to think differently in your business life. Think of problems in a different way and come up with new solutions because you're actually tapping into your creativity. The great thing, you can actually see the impacts on all aspects of your life. So just dedicate a few hours a week to something that you love doing, and you will see the results. Let me know in the comments below how it goes for you. My sixth tip is to travel. I think that's like one of the best investments I ever do till now, and I love traveling, and every time I travel I learn so much from people, but also from myself. So every time you'll be able to travel, and especially outside of your country, you will learn from other people, but also learn from yourself, and you will see yourself really grow through these experiences that you have. My seventh tip is to get immersed in a foreign country. Traveling is good, but living in a foreign country for a while, that's even better. If you can afford living in a foreign country for at least a year, then definitely go for it. I encourage you, just go do it. By opening up yourself to new cultures, new traditions, new people, you also open your mind to new possibilities, new solutions, new creations, and new inventions. It's definitely one of the best ways to invest in yourself. So if you can do it, just go for it. My 8th tip is to eat better. This is an investment in which you may have to pay a little bit more to eat cleaner and healthier, because like fast food is always the cheapest option. But think of it as an investment on the long term. When you invest in eating healthier and cleaner today, you're actually investing into a healthier body and mind on the long term. Number 9 is to work out and take care of your body. Whether that's gym membership or online classes or just like sports gear, that's an excellent investment. Whatever feels right to you, just do it. Just make sure that you're investing in your body. Also, take regular appointments with the doctor to check that everything is right and everything is fine, that everything is working properly. And don't wait to get sick to go see the doctor, right? Number 10 is nurture your mind. Our minds are the most amazing tools that we have. So listen to your mind. What does it need? Does it need to play more? Because as we grow older, we play less and less, and that's really bad. Does it need like a relaxing session at a spa? There could be very basic things that your mind needs that are not going to break the bank, really. They could be just like listening to inspirational music, So check with your mind what it needs and feed it. Number 11 is to get the apps and tools you need to be a success. Sometimes an app or just upgrading your phone or your computer can have such a dramatic effect on your work. It's not about having all the accessories and the latest Mac to succeed. Just check what is it that you currently need that can actually change all your work results. Number 12 is to take time off to reset yourself. It may seem counter-effective, but taking a few months off or even a year off to reflect and get to know yourself can be such an amazing investment. Start to get to know yourself better, and you will know what makes you happy, what you want to pursue, and also you will have a clearer idea on what you want to do next. Alright guys, so these were my 12 tips to invest in yourself that you can start doing from today. Let me know down below which of these 12 tips are you gonna start applying now. I'm so curious to know. Let me know down below. Also, please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you all so much for your support, and I'll see you very soon. Bye!